All right, let me take you through recording your first iMacro. Like I said, this is horribly noobish stuff, but if you're a noob, okay, fine, we got to go through with this. And we'll begin to the good stuff in a couple more videos. Right off the bat, iMacros has a little icon here to turn it off and on. Normally you would see bookmarks there, but you can have that. To record, pretty simple, record. Two buttons here. It starts recording whatever I'm doing. Let me just stop it real quick. You notice that by default it calls it hashmark current. This file also will appear here in the iMacros/macros folder. From here you can right click on it, you can rename it, or just delete it, and it disappears from here. All right, let's record an iMacro where I log into my email account on Yahoo. And what I like to do is start on the page that I want to get to first. Start recording. You notice here, okay, I'm at Yahoo. Bang, sign in. I've already got an account. All right, here we go. Then I want to automatically be dumped into my mail account and then to the inbox. Okay, you notice it followed along here. Stop. Right off the bat, I'm going to rename it. If you don't rename it, it'll just keep re-recording over the same default spot. You notice there it is right there. It's important that you know where the stuff lives in this folder. We'll be editing this file directly on some other things coming up. The other thing is you can edit the file right within iMacros like this. Obviously, edit macro, and it brings up this window here. And it's pretty pretty straightforward. It logged into this account. Obviously, passwords here. Everything next to the right of the content equals is what you're going to be changing. I went to the submit, went to the Yahoo Mail, into the test box. And okay, if I want to actually try it out, I log out, go back to play. Okay, bang. And there you go. Now, let's say I've got a bunch of Yahoo accounts, and I want to duplicate this. Now, obviously, I can re-record this, but it's a pain in the ass to do it that way. You notice there's nothing in here that says duplicate macro. So you have to go back here to where it lives. And you won't see it until you hit the refresh macro. Okay, there you go. And my other guy, from this point I can just edit it. I can come in here and then just change the data directly. Other guy account, whatever, whatever my password is here. Yeah, that's the password. You guys can have fun with that. Save it. And now I've got two iMacros, which will take me to two different accounts. All right, let's do a bookmark. At Folkt. Okay, I already have an account here. But let's record something where I'll basically make a bookmark. I'm starting at Folkt. Here we go. Record. Off we go. Login. iMacros test. Password is here. All right, a little trick I've done. If you notice that it's updated my username here, but it hasn't updated the password, and it won't do that until I hit the login button. But sometimes when you record a macro, it just doesn't save this for some reason. I don't know why. But watch this. If you click into the next field above it, see, bang, it updates it here with the previous information in the password field. And I'm not actually entering anything like this, into the field here. But this way I can just I know that I'm updated. I have all the information added in my macro before I go to the next step. And you'll understand what I'm talking about once it screws you over a couple of times. And you go, ah. All right, add a new link. Okay. Let's index this page. Now, manually typing all this stuff in. Horribly tedious. But like I said, I'm going through it step by step here. Automation. Bang. Okay. Now, CAPTCHA, obviously. And at this point, we're done. I'm going to hit stop recording here. Because obviously if I keep recording, this is going to change in the next time I run this, so it doesn't make sense to actually record me entering the CAPTCHA information. But basically, I would do this, bang, hit save. That would be posted to my account. I'd come back here. There's my folk bookmark. And let's take a look at it. Same deal. It's pretty straightforward. You can see where I've entered the data for my username, got my password, the URL, title, description, bang, show tag. Now you can, as we did on the email thing, you can edit this stuff directly. We're not going to do that. I'm going to show you how to automate this process later, but I'm just, like I said, I'm going through this in the horrible, tedious method at this moment, just to show you what's going on here. And as an example, if I wanted to do it again, let me log out, and I'll run the macro again. Bang, see, it stops. At this point, I would just enter the CAPTCHA, hit save, and then there you go.